in optics for the past about 5 years now. Every year in Delhi and Bombay alternating. We like the concept. It gets the industry together. It's an opportunity for us to showcase our brands to everybody. Yeah, so it's been a nice association.
So which brands have you brought to InOptics this year?
We bought all our brands. So if you look around, all our house brands, Ray-Ban, Vogue, Oakley, they have individual stalls of their own, wherein we are also showcasing the absolute latest collection. What is going to hit the shelves in the next few weeks is something what we are showcasing over here. Oh, engagement with the trade by far. It is only about the engagement with the trade, and it gives us an opportunity to meet the entire industry at one go.
Yeah, it's been our third participation here, and we just started 3 years back to participate. First we participated in Delhi, then went to Mumbai, and here is the second time.
Did you get more business opportunities this time? Is it any better this time?
I would say it's a good way to display under one roof all the brands, the strength of your brand. People who don't able to reach to tier 2, tier 3. It's a good opportunity to make them realize what we have in our portfolio. Even we can also have access to their market also, because where we are not there present. So it's a good platform to where we can interact under one roof.
InOptics being the premier Indian show in optical sector, how are you leveraging this opportunity? Are you launching some new brands here this time?
Yes, in this particular time we are launching a new collection for all the brands. So we are talking right now, showcasing our Meadow collection, which we displayed in Meadow in Milan. So now we are actually, after Milan, we are showcasing first time in India here. So this is the first collection showcase of Meadow collection, which is we call Spring Summer collection. Normally whenever we launch a new brand, that also we come up with a new brand launch. Like we are launching a 2 new brand this year in the second half, which is Levi's and Missoni. So whenever a brand is launching, we are displaying full brands in optics.
Tell us more about this exhibition. This is the 15th edition, and how has been your experience so far?
Our experience at InOptics is always better. We participate in almost all edition of InOptics. This year it's special because we have some of the best brands which we are launching. So we are launching Fred this time, we are launching Victoria's Secret, we are launching Kenzo. So these 3 brands we are launching first time in this exhibition, and we are taking this occasion Bali. Yes, that's a new brand which we are starting.
So InOptics has been set up with a view of giving more opportunities for business. Do you think it's working well for you? You getting more business opportunities here?
Of course, and I must say, InOptics is giving a kind of a platform to all the companies and the leaders to highlight their products, to show the new features, and it creates a kind of a bonding. This should be bigger, because the kind of exposure people and brands are getting here, it's phenomenal.
I think InOptics is growing as a trade fair in Delhi. Things are getting better and better, the stalls are getting better and better, the service is getting better and better. And overall, I think it has been good. It's been a good experience.
This year has actually become better and bigger than last year. It's much better organized. The space is also much bigger. And as always, it's always good to be part of the industry, and it's always good to be a pleasure to be part of this event.
How has been your experience so far?
It is a nice experience, and very innovative to very advanced technology, and very nice presentation, and we are presenting all the international brands.
So which luxurious brands are you displaying in InOptics?
We display the luxury brand like Savile Row. Is 130 years old company, and even the Gandhiji was wearing the Savile Row frames, and all frames are 18 karat roll gold frames. Masada is a luxury brand from Switzerland, but manufactured in Japan. Aston Martin, as you know, the car brand, we have introduced all the new models in the titanium and all made in Italy product.
So a lot of business opportunities in InOptics?
Of course, yes. We have the nice opportunity, and we get the new customers, and it's a good image that okay, we have the luxury brand, and it is a proud to have with InOptics.
Since 2010, we've been there. Yeah, so it's been about 9-10 years now for us.
How has been your experience so far?
It's been wonderful actually. You get to see a lot of people, you get to see a lot of brands that are being introduced. Um, I mean, the welcome that we get here, the warmth that InOptics brings with RSD and Harish Bhai, and obviously we are close knit, as in the relationship goes beyond just doing business. So it's always a great pleasure to be a part of whatever promotions that he plans to do and bring forward to the table. So yeah, it's been a good experience, and of course, it's about generating new business contacts, new dealers, and new markets that open up for us across the country. So yes, RSD is a good platform which works wonders. I know for us, and I'm pretty sure it works for the rest of the other guys that are promoting or have stalls out here.
How were the business opportunities for you this year?
It's been better than the last couple of years. Obviously, the market is growing. That's one good avenue which is being covered for us out here today. I mean, we've got about maybe 70, 80 new entries, new operations that we've never worked with. Yeah, so that's pretty good, and a lot of visiting cards that have been dropped, which we'll be following up with as we get back.
Which other brands have you brought to InOptics?
We've got Chopard, Dunhill, Fila, and working, of course, ID, Police, and Guess. They've all been a part of InOptics for a very long time. Iris has only been the new addition to the brand. The kitty now. Yeah.
I think when Harish had the first optical fair in 1984, when our company was born, so we are participant of InOptics, or the previous names that Harish has associated with since 1984. So we probably never skipped any exhibition in last almost 30 years plus.
It's been a very, very good experience. It's much better than what we had anticipated, and we've been glad to be part of it. We've always been a part of the InOptics stall, so this time, especially in Delhi, it's put up a great show, and we're very proud to be part of this. Yes, it's been really interesting and good.
Which brands have you brought to InOptics this year?
We have continued with our flagship brands, which is Kosh, which is behind us, and Femina Flaunt, which is for women. And both have got excellent traction this time at the stall, and people have come and appreciated the way we've done up the stall as well, and the overall entire structure and the long look and the layout of the stall has been very well appreciated. We met a lot of new people, a lot of old clients who have come back, and we've touched base with them as well, and a lot of interest, like I said, a lot of traction for both the brands, which is something very exciting. And we focus a lot on our marketing efforts, and those are actually paying off. So it's been a really, really good exhibition for us. Yes.
Right, so you're looking forward to come and participate next year as well?
We always are there. So yeah, always look forward to it. Always look forward to being part of the InOptics fraternity. So it's great. Yes.
Tell us more about the trends and the technologies that you're focusing on right now.
So we are basically focusing on spectacle lenses. That's our main thrust. We've just launched Fuji lenses, which is a Japanese brand, and it has about 3 different coatings that we are going to offer. So we got 2 things: one, the Fuji lens, and the Visualize Signature brand. Both are being launched in InOptics this time.
What brings you back to InOptics every year?
Well, I think we've always had a good response. And this is one platform where we can meet up with customers from smaller cities which we don't have interaction or access to on a regular basis. So this is what has happened this time as well. So we've got a lot of customers from smaller areas who want distribution, who want to start dealing with our lenses, whom we probably would not have reached out on a regular basis. So so from that perspective, this is a great platform for us.
And how was the show for you?
Show was really great this time. Yeah, it was a great experience this time. Really a very big show, very big than before. So it was really a very great experience.
Would you have a message about participation in InOptics? How would it, benefit them, and from the business perspective?
Of course, yes, the people who have not participated, I think they have actually, lost the opportunity. And this show is now growing really very, very big. I can see every year, and people should participate in a well way, and really we can have a good mileage. And the footfall was really very great this time. So I think everybody who actually want to come up to go forward should participate and should participate in a well way, and this is really a great platform for us to grow.
See, we are basically an ophthalmic instrument company since last 40 years, and we are dealing with the opticians since last 3 decades. And we are very proud to be a part of this exhibition since last, because I am the second generation. This is my 20th show. It's a big honor to be here.
You think that it brings you a lot of business opportunities?
Definitely, we add a lot of customers on this platform every year.
We have eye testing equipment manufactured by Nidex Japan. We are the authorized distributors for Pan India. We supply, service, and provide all the customer support services for India.
For how long have you been associated with InOptics?
Almost since the beginning, because our company is one of the oldest company. Almost since 30 years we are operating in India. So as long as InOptics has been there, so we have been participating.
And what brings you back every year?
Business. This is a good platform to meet our prospective customers. It attracts a lot of footfalls. And InOptics is doing a great job inviting people here. We get a platform to meet so many thousands of customers from all across the country.
Tell me, what have you brought to InOptics and what are your products?
We have got a lot of brands, which include production house brands as well as international brands. In international brands, we have launched 3 new brands, which is Warnacle. Then we have introduced United Colors of Benetton, and we have just shown a glimpse of the new brand that we are going to launch for the kids, Barbie.
As Vikram was explaining you, we are a Swiss company which works on technology and quality, especially on quality, because today everybody talks on quality, but very few brands works on quality. So we are bringing some new treatment, new technology. So today in India, we are very proud that we have the best point of sale in New Delhi, Mumbai, and I was very pleased during the fair to meet all the big stores, all the big opticians, thanks to Vicky. So it was a good fair. Unfortunately, it's too short, let's say, because we didn't have time to add all the customers that we would like to have, because we were quite busy during the 3 days. So see you next time, next year. I'm sure it will be as good as today.
How do you think InOptics has contributed in the growth of the optical sector?
A lot. You can see the quality of stalls here, and you will see all the big brands are here. Even you see it's the election time, and you can see the footfall here. So how important is that event for our industry? This itself proves itself.
Optics, for example, was started and conceptualized to bring together the industry so that everybody could be updated on the newest technologies. Do you think you get an opportunity here every year to make your customers aware of the newest things that you're bringing into the table?
Yeah. Obviously, you see, a fair or an event like that, we can meet maybe 10,000, 12,000 customers, even if all the customer doesn't visit their stall, but they can see what's coming. With our displays, they can understand. And people who find really interesting, they come in. So now it's our ability, how we display our products, that more and more customers come, and in 3 days we are able to meet 5,000 customers or something like that. So at least we can say what we are doing.
That's a phenomenal response.
Yeah, so it's something great opportunity for everyone.
So Suprol is a 50-year-old eyewear brand. We import, manufacture, distribute and retail eyewear, specifically the lenses that go into the eyewear. And I'm currently the VP for Tech and Strategic Initiatives. So we were really using InOptics as the platform for launching our new premium range of products called the ProLux series. As part of the ProLux series, we're bringing to you a personalized range of progressive lenses that nobody's ever seen in the world. So they're the smartest, most personalized progressive lenses in the world at the moment.
How has been the experience for you at InOptics?
it is significantly more organized than the previous editions. What we also saw was that most of the stalls were already ready by about 10-11 p.m., which shows that the organizers have really done a great job of pulling the team together, streamlining the operations. I think by changing the whole format from like a Saturday, Sunday, Monday to where we get the entire weekend and a Friday, the first day experienced some really good footfalls. We were really able to use InOptics as a platform to really introduce a lot of new products.
What do you have to say about the quality of customers walking in?
I personally had some very interesting and insightful conversations with customers who love our products, and we've had some very interesting leads going as well. So I'm hoping that they'll convert into business for us soon.
InOptics, in fairs like these, do you get an opportunity to create an awareness on the technologies that you're working on?
That's why we spend so much money on. That's the reason, and that's why we put and try to take a premium booths. There's a lot of people come up over here, and we are able to put them and show them, which they are not aware of. What's happening in Europe and other countries, people in India get to know only because of these exhibitions.
We can see a lot of footfall today. Has it been good for you in Optics 2019? Has it brought good business opportunities for you?
Yeah, in the north, we see north people are very brand conscious and quality conscious, and they look for the new products, and so we are expecting a good market in north of India. We have good business. We have done with new customers in this show.
ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੂਥ ਬਣਦੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ। ਨਾਓ ਇਜ਼ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ। ਹੁਣ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਬਿਸ਼ਨ ਤੱਕ ਗਰੋ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ।
ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਵੀ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ।
ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਵੀ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਨਾਲੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਐਜ਼ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਬੂਥ ਬਣਵਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਪਲੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
So how were the business opportunities? ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੋਇਆ InOptics ਦੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ?
ਬੈਸਟ ਜੀ, ਕੁਮਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ।
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗਰੋਥ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਔਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵੀ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
Tell us, for how long have you been associated with InOptics?
Maybe 30 years from senior Dr. Kumar's time.
What are the products that you are displaying here?
You have auto refractometer, auto lens mirror, and many other products. Our products is manufactured in Japan.
What keeps you bringing back to InOptics year after year?
In Optics, we are getting very good facilities and very good business with so many people visits.
How has been your experience this time in Delhi?
Well, I should say, in spite of adverse circumstances, we got good response. Many visitors are coming and we are attending them. That shows that it is an excellent day.
Okay, Seed Japan, Seed company as a whole is a one-day disposable contact lens company. So we make contact lens all made in Japan. So why we are here in India is, we want to be able to bring the best quality contact lens to the India market.
So these are one-day disposable lenses?
We have right now one-day disposable, and today in the fair we launched a 2 weeks disposable as well. And also we also have a specialty contact lens called the Auto K lens, which means you wear it overnight. You can correct your myopia condition in the morning. Once you remove the lens, you have a perfect vision. We had a good response. We had particularly the north side of India, but I think it's a tremendous opportunity for us to be able to come here. The feedback was great. I think we can follow up a lot of those contacts that we have built up in the last 3 days, yes.
We came from Brazil expecting a really good event. That's what we found here. I think here is really important for you to make a network, to meet people that stay in the same business. You can increase your sales and take a lot of contact with people that stay in the same business. We got some really good contacts, and as we are trying to introduce our products here, it will be really important to keep them.
We specialize in coating chemicals for eyeglasses, such as
hard coating lacquer and anti-reflective coating consumables and spider-phobic. And in India, we think it's most biggest market in the world because it's best growing market for the eyeglasses. That's why we are here to present Dawn Chemicals to Indian market.
And it's the third day. So have you found good business here in optics?
Yes, for 3 days we met many good customers here, and yeah, we're very happy about it. Yeah.
So good experience so far?
Oh yes. Last year I was in Mumbai for also same exhibition, and this is the second time I'm in India. So it's best growing market in India, so I'm very happy. So maybe next year I'll be here.
Tell us, how has been your show?
Fantastic. Everything was on international level and very good business. We really thanks to Mr. Harish who organized InOptics.
This year, was it different from the rest, from the previous years?
If you ask me, actually, there's a lot of difference this year. We see a lot of international participants, which encourages a lot of new customers to walk in and see what international brands have to say and have to do. Rigorous efforts from the team of InOptics has really made sure that the standards of the exhibition has really gone up so high. I'm sure if you've seen the kind of people walking in, the number of people who walked in, you would see the number has gone up, and the qualitative people are walking inside. People with a very clear mindset, with a cap on, saying that I am here to do business. Not only InOptics team, but also the exhibitors have really raised the bar of exhibition so that everybody gets a very warm and a good feel of an international exhibition, and that's what is making the exhibition different year after year.
We design complete retail outlets, eyewear stores, and we provide total turnkey solutions for eyewear stores. We make all type of displays and display systems for eyewear stores.
Tell us, how has been your experience this year within optics?
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. We got a very good response over here, and it was amazing. I'm really happy with the things. Yeah.
Okay, so the business opportunities were good here, and you planning to come next year as well?
Yeah, definitely. We come every year, and InOptics is really good, and it has got one of the highest footfall in India. So it's amazing. And InOptics is really evolving. The services are getting better, and the facilities are getting better, and the quality of exhibition is getting better. So thank you, Team InOptics.
I would like to thank all my exhibitors who have participated here, plus the visitors who have come from far off places, and especially our team and the entire RSD team.
And I would also like to thank all the visitors who took out time to come and visit the show and again make it better.